Welcome students, welcome to my next video. Civics, the Indian judicial system, topic number 4. We have seen in the previous topics, we have seen legislature. In the previous topic we have seen executives. Now this particular topic focuses on judiciary. So we all know that there is legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature, their work is to frame laws, and we all know executive, they have to execute the law. The law has to put into practice. And the third organ, that is judiciary, if the law is not practiced properly, if anybody violates the law, it is the judiciary who has to take the action. So our focus for the day is nothing but the Indian judicial system. As we all know, along with the legislature and executive, judiciary too is an important organ of the government. While the legislature makes law, executive implements law, judiciary gives justice. In this chapter we will learn how judiciary works to give justice and thereby help in removing injustice in society and establish a healthy society. But before that, let us understand why giving justice is necessary. As we all know, we all have our own opinion, our thoughts, perspective, beliefs, faith, culture. They differ from person to person. If people are tolerant, they can avoid conflict. But if differences of opinion are very sharp, they may lead to conflict. They should be resolved impartially in accordance with the law. For this purpose, unbiased judicial machinery is required. Or we say partiality should not be there in society. Now, as we all know, conflict may arise between individuals. It may arise between individual and the government. A decision or a law made by the government seems to be unfair to the people. They may approach to the court for justice. The government tries to implement objectives of social justice and equality laid down in the Constitution. The judiciary, through its decision in certain cases or through active involvement, can support the government. The court can help to bring weaker section of society, women, children, differently abled, we say handicapped, transgender, into mainstream of society. It is only the judiciary who can do it. When the common people or common man benefits the value of freedom, equality, justice, it leads to the widening and deepening of democracy. This is necessary for the strengthening of democracy. The rule of the law is protected by judiciary. The law treats everyone equally, rich or poor, forward or backward, men or women, all are equal before the law. And this is expressed clearly through judicial decisions. Judiciary helps us to protect the rights of the people. Conflicts are resolved in accordance with the law, and the law prevents emergence of repressive and authoritarian group and individuals. Thus, my dear students, this is end of the part 1. I will come out later on with part 2. Students, if you like the video, please do like it. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it, and also share it with others. Thank you.